All right, BJP is carrying out massive protests outside Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. Delhi BJP is protesting over key administrative issues in Delhi, including water crisis in South Delhi. The BJP began with a protest march starting from Chandigram Akhada and is being led by South Delhi MP Ramesh Bhushood. Okay, we are going back to the BJP protest at this moment. I believe the Congress President Sonia Gandhi also at a separate event had spoken out. We'll try to fix that audio connection and come back to what Sonia Gandhi actually said. She made a statement just a short while back. But till then, in the meanwhile, let's stay with these pictures that are coming in at this moment of a BJP protest that is taking place. BJP is protesting a water crisis in the national capital. Remember, they've been protesting for a while against the Arvind Kejriwal government. BJP is carrying out massive protests outside Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. The Delhi BJP, which has been carrying out protests in the past also, has been protesting over key administrative issues in Delhi, including the water crisis in South Delhi. The BJP began with a protest march starting from the Chandigram Akhada and is being led by the South Delhi BJP MP.
को लेकर के कैमरा पर्सन अंकुर अरोड़ा के साथ कपिल शर्मा, दिल्ली आज तक।
So these are BJP supporters who have just gathered outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. There's heavy police barricading that has taken place. Water cannon has in fact been deployed. It will be interesting to see whether it is actually pressed into service or not. There are a lot of people who are trying to break the security cordon and move towards Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So that's the latest situation outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where there is a massive protest that is broken out by the BJP workers. It's a situation that is developing and adequate police force has been deployed. Let's quickly now go across to the other story that we are tracking at this moment, the Robert Vadra issue. Sonia Gandhi, the Congress president, has now spoken out on that particular matter. We will be playing out Sonia Gandhi's reaction in just a short moment.
आपके और आपके परिवार पर लगातार निशाने साध रहे हैं, करप्शन के आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
भाई, ये तो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का के षड्यंत्र का एक बार रोज नया किसान नया कदम उठाते हैं। अगर ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी, सबके सामने आएगा।
So that is Sonia Gandhi, the Congress president, who has very, very categorically and pointedly attacked the central government. In fact, when she says that this is nothing but a conspiracy because of the cries that have in fact been made by the BJP to have a Congress Mukt Bharat or an India free of the Congress, she feels that controversies are being manufactured by the present dispensation to fulfill that particular agenda of the government and also of the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's in a way an indirect attack on Amit Shah and the Narendra Modi combined. Let's quickly listen in to what Sonia Gandhi said once again. Just to give you perspective, Sonia Gandhi was responding to a case that has now been reported by Mr. Kirit Somaiya to the Enforcement Directorate, saying that Robert Vadra, the son-in-law of Sonia Gandhi, is in possession or holds a Benami property in London. This is what the Congress president had to say.
मैम, आपके और आपके परिवार पर लगातार निशाने साध रहे हैं, करप्शन के आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
भाई ये तो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का के षड्यंत्र का एक बार बार रोज रोज नया किस्सा नया कदम उठाते हैं। अगर ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी सबके सामने आएगा।
That's the Congress President Sonia Gandhi requesting or almost threatening the government to carry out a probe in this particular case so that everything comes out in the open. That's Sonia Gandhi's statement. This is it's a major statement by Sonia Gandhi where she has very categorically thrown the ball in the court of two people, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, because she feels all of this is nothing but a direct attack to fulfill the BJP's agenda of a Congress Mukt Bharat. Let's quickly listen in once again to what Sonia Gandhi said, because her statement is very high on politics. It's politically very relevant. This is a direct political charge against the Prime Minister and the BJP President.
मैम, आपके और आपके परिवार पर लगातार निशाने साध रहे हैं, करप्शन के आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
भाई ये तो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का के षड्यंत्र का एक बार बार रोज रोज नया किस्सा नया कदम उठाते हैं। अगर ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी सबके सामने आएगा।
We'll keep playing that reaction right now. Let's go across to Ashar Ahmed Khan, who joins us with all the latest. Ashar, the Congress president has minced no words and taken the fight straight to two people, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah.
Well, absolutely. This has been something which has been going in the Congress party for a long time. Now the Congress president herself taking up the cudgels, categorically asking that instead of leveling and leaking allegations here and there, why doesn't the government do an inquiry and prove the charges about which they've been talking with? We've seen that in the last 1 month or 2 months that there have been a lot of allegations personally on the Congress president and on the Congress first family. This time round, no other than the Congress president taking the fight back to the BJP camp and the government's camp and asking them to come clean with all these allegations.
Absolutely. Sonia Gandhi has in fact said that a central agency must probe these allegations and it should not be fought in the political domain, Ashar. What sort of a message is this going to send out in two constituencies? Number one, to the BJP, and number two, to the Congress cadre?
Well, there was a feeling in the Congress cadre that the BJP has adopted a policy of shooting and scooting, in the sense that they would come, hurl allegations, abuses, and then run off, so that a perception is always created that the Congress is a corrupt party, it has sold the nation. So this is what the Congress cadres were feeling. So by making such a statement, the Congress president has assured the Congress cadres that she is not running away, she is pretty much here and taking on the government. While on the other hand, it would be incumbent on the government and the BJP to prove these allegations or get it investigated by the premier agency.
Absolutely, Ashar Ahmed Khan, do stay on with us. Let's quickly listen in once again to that exclusive reaction. Sonia Gandhi speaking to India Today and answering the direct charge of Kirit Somaiya and the Bharatiya Janata Party. She's taken the battle straight to the Prime Minister and Amit Shah. Sonia Gandhi to India Today.
मैम, आपके और आपके परिवार पर लगातार निशाने साध रहे हैं, करप्शन के आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
भाई ये तो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का के षड्यंत्र का एक बार बार रोज रोज नया किस्सा नया कदम उठाते हैं। अगर ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी, सबके सामने आएगा।
Let's quickly go across to India Today's executive editor Javed Ansari, who is joining us. Javed, this statement by Sonia Gandhi has completely turned this matter of Robert Vadra land dealings and also this flat in London absolutely political. It seems that the Congress has now decided that they are also going to scale up their attack.
Well, and it is on predictable lines because the Congress party is convinced that this government is hell-bent on victimizing and persecuting, and especially its leadership, and therefore they believe that they have no option but to meet this head-on, and that's why Mrs. Gandhi has said what she is, because the Congress party does believe, and in fact this is a feeling that runs across the party, that its leadership is being targeted, and that this government will stop at nothing to try and nail their leadership down, and they've decided to fight back.
What is this going to mean politically, Javed, both as far as the BJP-Congress fight is concerned and also internally within the Congress? Because so far we had not seen any direct comment from Sonia Gandhi, from Rahul Gandhi, and also from Mr. Robert Vadra, Priyanka Gandhi also, on these allegations against Robert Vadra. This is the first direct counter argument which Sonia Gandhi has taken straight to all those people who were propagating the Congress Mukt Bharat theory.
No, I'm not so sure if this is the first time, because the Sonia Gandhi has from time to time during the budget session, the recently concluded session, she spoke to journalists, she spoke to me, and
did she say it was a conspiracy?
Yes, she believes.
Bharat?
Yes, she believes.
Okay.
That this government is out to get them, and what we will see henceforth is more of the same. The government will continue to target the Congress party, the Congress leadership. The Congress leadership, for its part, will attack the government. So this, what we've been witnessing in the past 4 months, we'll see more of that happening in the days and months ahead.
Absolutely. Javed Ansari, many thanks for joining us. This is a big exclusive that we are getting for our viewers at this moment. Before we take a short break, let's quickly listen in once again to what the Congress President Sonia Gandhi had to say to questions about BJP's allegations of Robert Vadra owning a Benami flat in London.
आपके और आपके परिवार पर लगातार निशाने साध रहे हैं, करप्शन के आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
भाई, ये तो कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का के षड्यंत्र का एक बार रोज नया किसान, नया कदम उठाते हैं। अगर ये भी एक षड्यंत्र है। कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत का मतलब क्या है? रोज कुछ न कुछ ये लोग बहाना बनाते हैं, गलत इल्जाम लगाते हैं। अगर कुछ ऐसी बात है तो बिना भेदभाव जांच करो, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी, सबके सामने आएगा।